Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a speed cleaning video and I am just giving you a very quick walkthrough so you can see a before of the bomb that is my house. Before we get started, I'm going to make a very quick list of everything I want to get done since I will be timing myself. So just setting a 60-minute timer. I am going to set my Roomba to help me vacuum the floor. So I'm just picking up all the chairs and moving them out of the way. That way the Roomba can easily get around the table. Now I'm just picking everything up off the floor. That way everything can get nice and vacuumed. My house is seriously a disaster. I do not know how this happens. I feel like it happens so quickly. This is the aftermath of my daughter playing with slime. She loves slime, and I like that it keeps her pretty entertained on her own for a good bit of time, so I don't really mind cleaning it up.
Everyone else, you got issues. Some you know and some you don't. Don't blame me for being suspicious, but I see you need something else than what you want. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really liked you. I'm not missing you. I'm not fooling myself just like you. I'd rather break my own thread like a needle and stitch you up just for you to tear it up again. Yeah, I'm through. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you.
Now I'm just going to sprinkle some baking soda into the sink. That way I can give it a good scrub. I really like using baking soda just mixed with dish soap. It seems to get the sink pretty clean. I used to like to buy that Mrs. Meyer's like baking soda scrubbing cleaning stuff, but I can't find it anymore, but the baking soda alone works well.
Some of it goes like a trend. You are a symbol of something no one ever will understand. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really liked you. I'm not missing you. I'm not fooling myself just like you. I'd rather break my own thread like a needle and stitch you up just for you to tear it up again.
Now I am just showing you my absolute favorite microfiber cleaning cloths. I buy them in a big pack from Costco. They're in the automotive section. They work so well to clean everything. I use them for kitchen, bathrooms, dusting, and I just keep them separate. That way I know what goes for what, but I really recommend them. They get mirrors even super clean without leaving any streaks and so inexpensive.
I'm through. I'm not missing you. 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 I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really liked you. I'm not missing you. I'm not fooling myself just like you. I'd rather break my own thread like a needle and stitch you up.
To easily get all of my stainless steel clean, I'm just using those microfiber cloths and a little bit of Method all-purpose cleaner. It's in a Mrs. Meyer's bottle, but it is Method, and it works pretty well to get it clean without having too many streaks.
Just for you to tear it up again. Yeah, I'm through. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you.
27-minute time check. I still need to dust, mop, and clean the little bathroom. We'll see. We're getting there. So this little area in our house is just a catch-all. So you'll have to let me know in the comments down below what area of your house becomes a catch-all. This is just a little bar area that you can see right when you come in from the garage. So of course, everything lands on it and it's always kind of a disaster. I don't know how to keep it more organized.
Like everyone else, you got issues. Some you know and some you don't. Don't blame me for being suspicious, but I see you need something else than what you want. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really liked you. I'm not missing you. I'm not fooling myself just like you. I'd rather break my own thread like a needle and stitch you up just for you to tear it up again.
I have been surprised at how much I love this Roomba. When I first used it, it seemed like it was just going around and being random, but it actually does a pretty thorough job of vacuuming.
I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. All you know is superficial. Some of it stays, some of it goes. Like a trend.
This Dyson cordless vacuum is most definitely one of my favorite cleaning tools. It was so worth it. I didn't know if it was going to be worth the cost, but I use this so often and on the carpet too, and it works great.
A symbol of something no one.
I was a little late to the game on these spin mops, and I bought one at Target probably at the beginning of this year, and I did not know what I was missing out on. It gets the floor so much cleaner than a Swiffer does.
Never will understand. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really liked you. I'm not missing you. I'm not fooling.
I've got about a minute and a half left, and I think I'm going to grant myself an additional 10 minutes to finish just because I've been moving the camera around everywhere.
A little tip with these microfiber cleaning cloths and mirrors, you actually don't need any glass cleaner. If you just get the cloth a little bit damp and wipe the mirror down, it cleans it perfectly. I still use glass cleaner a good majority of the time just because I like the way it smells, but you definitely don't need it.
Just like you. I'd rather break my own thread like a needle and stitch you up just for you to tear it up again. I'm through. I'm not missing you. 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 I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really.
Whew, that is kind of a workout. I've never timed myself cleaning before, so that was interesting. So I did give myself an hour 10, hour 15, just because I was moving the camera all around the place, which was kind of cutting into my cleaning. But let's see how I did on the list.
So I did pretty good on my list. I did not get the load of laundry done, but that was okay. I got everything else checked off except for picking up the backyard. But again, no big deal. The house felt way better. Ah, everything is nice and clean. Eventually we'll furnish this front room. We've been working on bathroom remodels, so furniture for that room was kind of put to the side. I'm actually currently working on a video of us remodeling our guest bathroom. So if that is something you would like to see, then please hit that red subscribe button because it should be coming pretty soon. Thank you so much for watching today. If you have any questions or comments, I would love to have you leave them down below in the comment section. I'm always happy to reply. We'll see you soon. Bye.